Oh, it's going now.
It's the 21st birthday drink, Jack Daniel's Coca-Cola. Okay. Apparently, I discovered because of the liquor tax, you can't use state benefits to buy these. You have to use
Your own money.
yeah, your own money.
You should. We shouldn't be buying liquor for.
Cold.
It's actually slightly chilled. It's not ice cold. I actually didn't get it in the ice cold section, so I was surprised it's chilled.
Don't shake it because you have Coca-Cola product in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially with all my paperwork. I don't want to get pop all over.
Okay, go ahead before you run out of phones.
I got water as backup. What's that smell?
Jack Daniel.
Yeah. Tastes like medicine.
Now, those are meant to be sipped, not slugged down.
It's just one. I didn't try to slug it down.
Yeah, he drank. Just took a drink.
Ah, tastes like medicine. It legitimately tastes like cough syrup. Obviously, that's most of the Jack Daniels rather than Coca-Cola, because we all know what Coca-Cola tastes like.
No, there's just a few more minutes. I can put my hands up like this.
Okay, you want me to? I'll wash it down with water. I got the Evian, the good stuff.
Okay.
Oh, Amber Alert.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not buying that on the regular. All right, it was a good 21st birthday drink.
Okay, how do I shut this down then?
Just press the same button again.
Oh, there's no button. Okay.